Good morning, students. Today we will start the exercise 14.6. This is the second part of this exercise. In the previous lecture, we will complete of this exercise from question number 1 to and question number 5. Question number 1 to question number 5. Uh, I have to given the link of the previous lecture in the description box. You go the description box and watch this video. Today is the question number 6. In question number 6, draw an angle of measure 45 and bisect it. First of all, we have to draw an angle of 45 with the help of the protractor. Mark a point on the 45 and join this line. फर्स्ट ऑफ सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, एक एंगल ड्रॉ किया जिसको मैं नाम दे देता हूँ ए बी और सी. वी हैव टू फाइंड द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस एंगल, दिस वन द 45. हमें इस एंगल का बाइसेक्टर फाइंड करना है. तो वी टेक द कॉम्पस एंड पुट द टिप ऑफ कॉम्पस ऑन बी एंड मेक एन आर्क with any radius. It is depend on your choice. I will mark an arc in the red color. आपको लाल कलर में दिख रही होगी, मैंने एक आर्क बनाई. Now tip of compass put here. And take the more than half distance and make an arc here. I will use the blue color and tip of the compass then put here and mark an arc. You get the intersector point. I will take this point as D. Join B to D. This is the bisector of the BD is the bisector of BD is bisector of angle 45. We will check with the help of the protractor. Look here. This is the 45 black color and blue color is the half of the 45, which is the 22.5 degree. Clear? Now next question is the next one. Draw an angle of measure. This is the question number 7. Draw an angle of 35 degree. Now we draw an angle of 35 with the help of the protractor. Draw an angle of 35. Make a point on the 135. Join this point to this point. Now give the name L M N. Check out. This is the 45 degree. We have to find the bisector of this point. Same as a previous lecture. Put your compass, tip of compass on M point. Take any radius in your compass. Make an arc. Make an arc. You will go the 2 point one point on the MN line and second point the MN line. Now tip of compass put here on the LMN line. You got the 1 point. Take the more than half distance of previous arc and make an arc from the below green point and take the second arc with same radius, make an arc with pink point. You will go to the 1 point. I will take name this the O point. Now join O to M. This is the bisector of the angle. OM is bisector of angle 135. Check out with the help of the protractor. First we check what is the half of the 135. 2 6 are 12, 1 remaining, 5 will be carried, 2 7 are 14, 1 remaining, take the decimal, put 0 here, 2 5 are 10. So this is the 67.5. Check out with the help of the protractor. Look out. This is the 67.5. Clear? Next question is the question number 8. In this question, we have to make an angle of 70 degree and make a copy of it using only a straight edge and a compass. सबसे पहले first of way I will take an angle of 70 degree. I will make 70 degree. This is the 70 degree. Join this one. This is the 70 degree. We have to make a copy of this angle using compass. Only a straight edges and a compass. So first of all, I will take an edge, straight line, take an edge. Now take compass and put here compass on the common vertex and make an arc with any radius. This is the straight edge PQ with the same radius. Put here, keep the point P and mark an arc, same radius. Now we will go to the 2 point. This is the A point and this is the B point. Put the tip of compass on A and put tip of compass pencil on the B point after adjusting the compass. Now put here mark an arc. You will get the A point. This is the R point. Join P to R. Join P to R and now measure check the answer. This is the 70 degree. Also check it. This is also 70 degree. So we will make the copy of this angle with the help only straight angle and the compass. This is our question number 8. Clear? Next question is the question number 9. We have to draw the angle of 40 degree. Join this point to this one. This is the 40 degree. We have to construct copy of its supplementary. Supplementary angle means how do we get the supplementary of an angle? This is very simple. Supplementary angle of 40, only we will subtract it from 180. So we get the 140. Means we have to make the supplementary angle of the copy its supplementary angle. And means हमें क्या करना है, इस supplementary angle को copy करना है with the help of this angle. तो first of all draw a line, take compass, put here, make an arc, you go 2 points P and Q, A, B. Now with the same radius, put here and make an arc with the same radius, like this way, from here any point. Now keep the point tip of compass P, then tip of pencil Q. Take radius and mark an arc. You will get the point C. Join from this point to this point. This is the D point. So this is the supplementary angle of 40 degree. Check out this one. This is the 40 this is the 140. This is the supplementary of angle. Clear? This is the 40 this is the 140. So exercise 14.6 is complete. Thank you so much.